Okay, here's the definition for the average value of a function over a closed interval from a to b. It's you really find the area under the graph with this definite integral, and you multiply by 1 over b minus a. So to find the average value of this function, and I'm assuming this was a left parentheses here, 2 cosine of 2x, b is pi over 4, and a is the opposite of pi over 4. And that becomes pi over 1 divided by pi over 2, or 2 over pi. This definite integral right here becomes, well, we have to have the process. I move this 2 out front right here. And then the antiderivative of cosine of 2x, I'll let you use u substitution to figure that out. But this whole thing right here evaluates to 1. Because the sine of pi over 2 is 1, the sine of minus pi over 2 is minus 1. Half of 2 is 1. Okay, so the average value is 4 over pi. And we want to know in what interval, in the interval from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4, when does this function take on this value? So we want to solve this equation. Here's the function. We want to know when does it equal 4 over pi, or the average value. Divide by 2. Isolate 2x by taking the inverse cosine of both sides. So x equals 1/2 of whatever angle has a cosine of 2 over pi. Now, if I go to the next board, here's a graph of f of x. 2 cosine of 2x from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4. A is pi over, I got those backwards. Okay. This should have been negative. This should have been positive. I don't think that makes a difference. Q1 equals inverse cosine of 2 over pi, so that we can solve that equation. And Q2 equals negative, the opposite of Q1. In other words, Q1 is right here in the first quadrant, and Q2 is down here in the second quadrant, or in the fourth quadrant. And if we take half of those values, those are the values of x that you can plug into the function to get the average value. Okay. I should have had this minus and this plus from A to B. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.